This video is sponsored by Predictive Coach, protecting your brand, your drivers, and your bottom line. If you go to the map, you'll see a view of your vehicles that looks something like this. You can use this filter here to remove vehicles, search for certain ones, or multiples if you put commas between them, and select all of the ones you've searched for or click them individually down here. This filter lets you sort vehicles by status. Vehicles with this arrow symbol are currently being driven, and if we click this question mark button, we can view a list of what other symbols we may also see depending on the vehicle status. The circles with numbers here show where vehicles are clustered together. The number represents how many vehicles are in this spot, and we can hover to see a list of some of the ones in the cluster. On this side of the page, we've got a list of all the vehicles in our current view, and this will change as we zoom in on a smaller section of the map or move around. As you can see, these vehicles have active tracking enabled, so we can see them moving in near real time. When I'm looking to find a vehicle, I usually prefer to use the satellite view, which we can find down under this Maps Layers icon. We've also got options here to enable or hide different overlays, such as vehicle labels, zones we've got built into the system, weather, and traffic conditions. If we'd like to see details about a particular vehicle, we can click it here and see certain options, such as viewing the vehicle's latest trip, editing the vehicle's details, sending a message, dispatching the vehicle, or even seeing where the vehicle is via Street View in Google Maps. You can also click a vehicle and choose View Asset to see these same options.